Hey guys, I want to show you really quickly how you can do a Facebook watch party. Once the video on Facebook Live or on Facebook is live, so you're on the regular Grace Covenant page. Once it's live, you're going to see this thing down here that says watch together with friends or with a group. Everybody see it below the video. Press start. All right, and then you're going to go in here and we're going to say, if it was under mine, then I keep it public, and it's going to do this, and I'm going to say, watch with us. All right, I'm going to press start. Now, here's a couple things I can do. Let's mute this. Okay, here's a couple things I can do. All right, I can invite my friends. I can invite Matt. I can invite different people. Okay, these are all people that live pretty far from us, which is awesome. So we can invite different people to this watch party. You can add a co-host if you have one at home. You can also put yourself on camera using this camera option if you'd like to. All right, so then as people start joining, you can start commenting. Okay, this is a watch party that is just you and your friends, and would be a great opportunity for you to get new people that have no idea who we are involved. All right, just wanted to give you a little tutorial, and if you have any questions, just let us know.